Hello everyone. Tell me, can a parrot teach you a lesson? Listen to this. So today's story is about Lesson from the Talking Parrot. A young boy bought a talking parrot but didn't feed him well. One day, the hungry parrot told him, kindness feeds the heart, selfishness leaves you empty. The boy felt sorry, fed the parrot well, and promised to always care for his pets. So, the moral of the story is kindness should be shared, not hidden. Love this moral? Subscribe now for more. See you in the next video. Bye.